Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I announced a new feature for Aimogen, as the chatbot already had the remote chatbot feature, so you could use a chatbot on other sites from which you install Aimogen on. But this was extended now also to the real-time chat, and real-time chat will also benefit of the remote chatbot functionality. So for example, you can install Aimogen on a WordPress site and use a remote chatbot on many other sites, and all these external sites will use the chatbot from your first website. So you can use the chatbot on multiple sites embedded directly in your pages or posts. So let me show you how to use this. So first, go to AI Real-Time Chat and you will have a new tab, Remote Chatbot. Enable chatbot embedding on remote sites. Click Save. You can set a list of domains where the chatbot will be allowed to be embedded, as if you don't set this, anyone with the code, with the HTML code, will be able to embed it on their site and use your chatbot. So I recommend you set here the URL of your site where you want to use this functionality. So now let's click Add a new remote chatbot. And here we will have the embedding code, which we will be able to add to another WordPress site. But for the sake of simplicity, I add a new post here on my own WordPress site. And let's create a new post and embed our chatbot. Let's say that this is another WordPress site, and let's embed it there. So let's say chatbot test our remote chatbot. And we can add here HTML where I add the code which was provided, and let's say thank you here. Let's publish it, and we have our link. Let's open up incognito mode, and here it is. Test our remote chatbot, and the thank you text is added below it. So we can start recording, and our real-time chatbot will be able to reply to us. So let's test this real quick. Hello.
Hey there, how's it?
Okay, so it was a bit loud. So you were able to test this, and you will be able to use remote chatbots. Don't forget to add the URL where you want to use this code, as if people get this code and they add this code to other websites, they will still be able to use your chatbot. So be sure to list here the websites where these remote chatbots will be allowed to be used. Okay, so Aimogen is linked in this video's description. Go ahead guys and check it. This is all for today. If you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. Bye bye.